Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Boy FX, and today we are gonna be dealing on boom and crash, but a quick peep at VIX 100, which we've been trading for the past days. So for the past days, we've been trading on the VIX, and it's been showing us so much love. As you can see here, I've been using price action to trade, and I'm going to show you how I did that too on the crash 300. Of course, I'm in big profit there too. So this is a trade from today. I give a free signal. So for those of you that want to join our free Telegram channel, make sure to check the description of this video. You are going to see the link to our free Telegram group. And for those that want to text me on WhatsApp, my number is going to be there too. And those that want to join the synthetic indices, for to trade, the deriv link is also on the description of this video. So if you check, you can just click on any of the links and you're gonna get to me. So as I was saying, we've been on the VIX 100, and the free signal, you see this, gave us big win. So we were profitable today. And also for those that want to join the mentorship, of course the mentorship class is going on. As you can see, I talked about a retest here earlier on. I told them it's going to be retesting, and this is the retest. The retest happened, and after the retest came this. Let's go to the candle. As you can see, it sold down here. This was the retest. It sold down here. So this is actually price action, not indicators. So now let me take you to crash. Let me take you to the crash 300. Okay, this is the trade from today. As you can see, we're running a massive profit. Crash 300 has been buying, and VIX 100 at the moment has been selling, and we are in huge profit. Of course, I gave them the trade, as you can see on the VIP channel. So now let's go to the crash 300. Alright, now as you can see, this is the crash 300. I have my trend line here. Of course, I've been on this trade for a long time now. I've been observing it, so that gave me confidence to buy, which means I traded against the market. As you can see here on the daily time frame, this is where I got into the trade, because when this trend line, I noticed that the trend line is a downtrend, but when it got to this other level, when the market bought and retraced back to this level, I got into the trade, and from there it has been buying up to this point. And actually I'm expecting it to start selling, but I'm going to be closing out soon, because I'm expecting it to start selling. It has gotten to a resistance. Here is a resistance. As you can see here, this is a resistance. Here it was formerly a support for this trade here, but when it came down and broke this former support, it now turned to resistance. So I'm expecting it to hit the resistance, either retest and sell, or break and keep buying. But I'll be closing out soon, also because I am also observing with my trend line here. So now we go down to the lower time frame, let's say the 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes, you see that this is an uptrend. That's why you have to play with the time frames. From time to time, you get into the 15, 30, 4 hours, or if you're using a computer, of course on the computer, if you're using binary trading view, you can actually check these things out easily. So now it's good to follow up the trade. As you see, I've been following up this trade for a long time, for like a day now, and it's been in massive profit. That's what swing traders do. Okay, swing traders get into the trade, let it fly, especially if the account size is big enough. So as I said earlier, this is not an indicator kind of strategy, but this is me showing you that here with price action you can actually catch spikes, and you can also scalp. And price action helps you to trade different stocks, helps you to trade different stocks, and also helps you to trade other commodities. It doesn't just have to be synthetic indices. You can also use price action to trade currencies too, for those of you that trade currencies. So on my during my mentorship classes, I actually give my students materials to learn about price action because it's very important. And we come to class and now have a better understanding, like go practical about it. So now let me take you to, let's say, let's go back to the VIX 100. I said I was going to close out on the VIX 100, but let's just go back to VIX 100. Now let me show you what I mean. It's always important to follow up the trade. It's always very important to follow up the trade. I wish I could turn my phone to a landscape mode, but I can't because the it's going to make it very small. So I'm just going to do this. As you can see here, this was on 30th. I think that's some days ago. As I said, this is the best pay of the week. This is the best pay of the week because it's just been respecting trend lines and all of that. So I'm going to just trace this back, follow up the line. As you can see, it meets here, still respecting there. From there, it went down again. From this level, it went down. I'm going to show you that. When it got here, it came down, and also same thing happened here too. So this thing, price action, is very, very, very should I say, important when it comes to trading. That's my own strategy that I used to trade. Some people ask me, what do you trade with? Of course, I use that to trade. I'm not really a fan of giving what do they call it? Giving signals for boom and crash. But if I do, I actually give the fire signals, the ones that we are very sure about. But when it comes to volatility, I think this has to be my best pay. Of course, I make videos about crash. I make videos about different crash boom, but I barely make videos about VIX because people don't know that VIX is also very profitable. Of course, VIX is also very profitable. So guys, this video is going to be a short one. I don't want to take your time. So having said all that, and you've seen that this actually works, let's go to the VIX 75. On the VIX 75, I'm not going to get into a live trade right now because I'm not ready for that. As you can see here, always observe, be very observant when you are trading. That's why it's always good to follow up the pace. As you can see here, this was an uptrend here because I was looking for an entry. So I was able to know that when the price got here, it came down, it got here again, it came up, and same thing happened until it broke the trend line and started coming down again. Of course, we were profitable on that trade too. So these things, when you're using price action, you have to deal with going from different time frames to another time frame because it helps you see things clearly. And when you follow up from time to time, you will be able to highlight things that you don't even know about, like things that you cannot see. Okay, like I've been following, for instance, I follow up a trade from since yesterday, and you just come in today to get into the trade. I will actually know or be able to predict accurately where the market is going to go to. But you can just come in and you don't know what has been going on in the past 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. You just jump in and you start losing. So having said that, I'm just going to leave you guys with this. So for those of you that want to join our Telegram, here is our free Telegram channel, and yes, we gave a free signal today. Yeah, we gave a free signal today, and you can see that they made profit from the free signal group. So if you want to join, check the description of this video. You're going to find that. You're going to find the link to the free Telegram channel, and please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also share it to your friends so they can learn too. Okay, for those that want to join the VIP, of course, we are running, and the mentorship program is also running, and also we have the account management which is also running too, but we don't get all the accounts at once because we don't want to have more accounts in our hand that we can handle. So if you come early or you wait on the queue, when we're done with a certain account, we can now take you in. So if you don't want to start now to trade, you can join our mentorship, so that it's even easier if you join the mentorship, so that you can learn on your own and trade on your own at your own convenience, not always waiting for signals to come to you. So I'm gonna leave you guys now, and I hope you like this channel and share it to your friends. See you guys on the next video.